Welcome back, future medicos. In this video, we will look at the stray vacancy round details for Jipmer Puducherry and Jipmer Karaikal. So Jipmer has released the stray vacancy round details today, that is 5th January 2021. We will look at the details at this notification. First of all, the most important thing, the counseling is going to happen on 10th January 2021. That is this coming Sunday. The counseling is going to happen. Where is it going to happen? It is going to happen at APJ Abdul Kalam Jipmer Auditorium at Puducherry. So you need to go to Puducherry physically. Okay, if you are interested in any of the vacancies in Jipmer, you need to go to Jipmer Puducherry on 10 January Sunday. Is there a registration prior? No, there is no prior registration. As long as you have registered with MCC, and if your name is in the eligible list that is going to be published on 7 January, you can straight away go to Jipmer. There is no registration required prior to going to Jipmer. So when you should go, the registration starts on 10 January at 8 a.m. Okay, the registration starts at 8 a.m. and the registration will close at 10:30 a.m. So in case if you are late, if you reach the venue after 10:30 a.m., that means you are not eligible for the counseling. So you have to reach there between 8 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. So I suggest you to reach earlier than 8 a.m. I'm sure there will be a lot of crowd for Jipmer. Now, what is the counseling time? The counseling time is going to be at 2 p.m. So you need to register first. So there is a physical registration. You need to reach Jipmer Puducherry, provide your details, show the original documents, register at the site, and then afternoon, they will be conducting the counseling. Now, whoever gets selected in the college, there will be a medical examination on 11 January. Now, many of you are asking the question that when I said medical examination, they thought that there is another examination. There is a test. Okay, there is no test. There is no exam. Okay, don't worry. Only NEET exam you have to write that you have written, it's completed. This medical examination is nothing but the regular medical checkup. It's a regular medical checkup like blood test, maybe X-ray or whatever, right? The medical checkup that happens in all the medical colleges before admission. So don't worry that Jipmer is conducting an examination, AIMS is conducting an examination, I need to study. Okay, no need to study, don't worry. Okay, it's a normal routine medical checkup, which happens in every college. Okay, it's not something special here. So don't worry about that anyway, because let's get selected on 10 January 1st. Now, what is the vacancies available? Jipmer Puducherry campus, there is no vacancy. 0 vacancies under any category, there are no seats. However, Jipmer Karaikal, there are 19 seats available. Under NRI, there is 1 seat vacant. Unreserved category, 6 seats. Economically weaker section, 2. OBC, 6 seats. And SC category, there are 4 seats. However, Jipmer will display an updated list of vacant seats on 8 January 2021. In case from now until 8 January, if some candidates leave the college, then this list will be updated. If nobody leaves, then this is the final count. Okay, most likely there won't be any additional seats. Most likely this will be the number. Now take note that the counseling will happen offline. Okay, I have told this many times, but still candidates are asking the question. The counseling is going to be offline. You have to be physically present at Puducherry. You have to come. Okay, you cannot sit at your home and do the counseling. It's not an online counseling, it's an offline spot counseling. Now, what else do you need? You need to bring a printout of the registration slip of stray vacancy round. Okay, this seems to be something new. In the previous years, we don't have this kind of registration slip. So I also don't know, this is something new to me also. Most likely MCC will allow you to download a registration slip on 7 January. That should be the procedure. Unfortunately, MCC is not posting anything about it. But since AIMS and Jipmer has spoken about this, it's very clear. MCC will allow you to download a registration slip. Those candidates who are eligible, the list will be published on 7 January. And then once your list is published, if your name is there, you can go and download the registration slip. That should be the procedure. That is my assumption. Okay. Anyway, let us wait until 7 January to see what exactly is this. The second thing, you need all the original documents. You need all the original certificates. In spite of, I have told this at least 10, 15 times, still candidates are asking, I have taken an admission in a private college, I have submitted the original documents, can I attend the counseling? Guys, please understand, this stay round is only for candidates who are not holding any seat. So if you are already in some other college, please don't come for counseling, just stay with the college. This is not an upgrade procedure, please understand that. Candidates without all the original certificates will not be permitted. Okay, the document verification will happen before the counseling. So if you don't have the documents, you will not be allowed to participate in the counseling. Don't waste a trip to Puducherry without the documents. After the physical verification of original certificates and the registration slip, a category-wise merit list will be prepared. Right? We have unreserved category, EWS, OBC, and so on, right? So they will prepare a merit list. How the merit list will be prepared? Only those candidates who are coming for counseling on that particular day. If 1,000 candidates come for counseling, if they register on that day, if the documents are verified and they are eligible candidates, then JIPMER will prepare a list of 1,000 candidates. If 500 candidates come, only 500 candidates will be in the merit list. So who will come, what marks will be safe, I have no idea. So go attend and then give it a try. And once the merit list is prepared, then counseling will happen. They will start calling candidate from rank 1. And then any reservation category, if seats are vacant, say for example, if there are not enough OBC candidates, then the seats will be converted to unreserved. If not enough EWS candidates, the seats will be converted to unreserved. But anyway, I don't think the conversion will happen. We will have enough candidates under each category. That's what I believe. Anybody who is holding a seat in round 1, round 2 and mop-up round will not be allowed to participate. Allocation of seats will be made strictly as per the rank or merit of candidates who are present in Puducherry on 10 January. If you don't bring the OBC non-creamy layer certificate or EWS certificate or SC certificate, then you will be considered only as general candidate. You will not be considered under the particular reservation category. If you have still any doubts, you can contact the email ID or the phone number given here. My best wishes for everyone who is going for counseling on 10 January. Bye-bye.